Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies, pouring a little back patio, about 400 square feet. Customers wanted us just to use the timbers that they have here as the forms. We're going to be pouring, they have 2 steps coming out of their house. We're going to be pouring up to that first step there at the top, so we're going to have about 6 inches back there. Stretch a string line from there out to here. And we got a good 4 inches right here at this lip. You don't ever want to try to cap a slab and pour in anything less than about 4 inches. We're going to etch this slab, and then we're going to use a bonding agent on top of there before we pour it. You can follow this project, see how it progresses at www.alpinecompanies.com. You can click on our YouTube link and watch close to 2,000 videos. Thanks for watching. This is Jay with Alpine. Follow along this little project as it progresses.